welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the video I put the mask and to do this you just need two things, which is cotton breathable fabric and another one is elastic. In the video I two types of mask. One is which is machine sewn, have machine sewn. If you want, even you can hand sew it. The other one is damn simple, you can just make it in a swish like in 5 seconds. To see that, you need to stay tuned with me until the end. Let's just get started with this video. Was it a long procedure to do? It's okay, never mind. If you are someone like my brother who doesn't have time for anything, who doesn't want to do anything, then Thambi, un pocket la enna pa vechirukke?
Kartif.
Kudu. Hey all, unfortunately my camera battery died, so I'm recording this right now in my iPad. So this is how handkerchief mask looks like. Hope you guys will definitely try it. Once you try both the methods, just let me know, and hope we all together will fight against this coronavirus by staying at home. See you in the next video. Until then, bye. But before that, what do you need to do, Thambi?
Like, share, subscribe.
To?
Something by SUSHMA NAIR.
Yay! Oh dude, something by SUSHMA it is.